Trust or lack of trust is a learned response. And so if something happens, it causes us to lose trust in an organization or in a person, it takes a long time to rebuild that, but it can be done. But if you think about it, usually things that cause trust to be broken happen over a long period of time. And so we learn those patterns, and that's what causes us to lose trust. In the same way, you can, with a concerted long-term effort, you can have people to unlearn those patterns of mistrust by being very forthright, by being very trustworthy, and by sharing more and more information. So we learn those patterns, we can unlearn them, and it's probably easier for people to regain trust in new people in the organization than it is the same people in that organization. But hey, I'm an optimist. I think it still can be done, but let's face it, it's difficult. Probably easier at the organizational level than at the personal level, but not impossible for either one.